and welcome to this video on the Mi 10i. The Mi 10i is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset and octa-core processor. The RAM available on the phone is 6GB or 8GB, and depending on the variant you buy, you can get 64GB or 128GB of storage. All variants come with a microSD card slot on board, so in case you want to expand it, you have that option as well. Other features of the Mi 10i that are actually very interesting include its display, the camera stack, and even the design, so let's go over that. The display is a 120Hz IPS LCD panel, which actually also supports HDR10+ and also has a touch polling rate of 240Hz, covering both the best of entertainment and gaming. The camera stack is impressive as well, offering the primary camera with a resolution of 108 megapixels, whereas the ultra-wide camera offers an 8 megapixel resolution. There's also a 2 megapixel macro camera and a depth sensor on board to help with portrait shots. The front-facing camera on the Mi 10i is a 16 megapixel shooter and should make for some lovely selfies. The other thing that's great about the Mi 10i is its design, which features this new Pacific Sunrise color finish. To the touch, it's a soft back, but the phone also offers IP53, lending to its durability. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On top, you have the IR blaster, and at the bottom, a Type-C port alongside a headphone jack. Other things on the Mi 10i that are actually very impressive is its battery, which is a 4820 mAh unit, along with supporting 33-watt fast charging right out of the box. So this has been a quick look at some of the interesting features of the Mi 10i. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and as for me, I'm gonna see you in the next one.
So the Mi 10i smartphone from Xiaomi sports a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display and gets 120Hz refresh rate support as well. In addition to this, the screen offers durability using the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front as well as the back. As you can see over here, the front display also has a punch layout which houses the 16 megapixel front selfie camera. And then you have a headphone jack at the bottom right next to the USB Type-C port, which is used for data transfer as well as power charging. You have front and bottom dual speakers, which offers extra audio improvement in terms of quality and lets you listen to videos as well as music on the go without using any kind of wired or geared headset. Apart from this, the phone is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 750G processor, which comes paired with 8GB of RAM, and you have 128GB storage that is further expandable using the slot available inside the phone. The phone is loaded with a 4820 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging using the Type-C port built into the device. In terms of imaging, the Mi 10i gets a 108 primary rear camera setup that includes 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 2 megapixel macro sensor, and another 2 megapixel depth sensor. All these capabilities mean the cameras are versatile and let you shoot dynamic shots as well as shoot videos in different capabilities. In addition to this, you have security features like side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the power button, which lets you secure the device and store and keep the data secure on the device itself so that nobody else is able to tamper with it. In addition to this, you have so many other features that we can talk about, which includes IR blaster, using which this phone can be used as a remote control support for other kind of electronic devices that are available in your house. And finally, what we are looking at is a phone with dimensions and build quality that is quite durable and it's easy to use in one hand. So this is Xiaomi's latest mid-range 5G phone in the market. The Mi 10i comes with a 120Hz refresh rate support display. It is powered by Snapdragon 750G processor paired with 8GB of RAM, and you have 108 primary rear camera that supports a lot of features including ultra-wide shooter as well as macro and depth sensor. And finally, you have a 4820 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging using USB Type-C port, which comes built into the device. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.